Hello my dear students. So in this video I am going to share with you my opinion on the today's question paper, that is on corporate accounting, that is paper 10A of your group 2. From my point of view, the paper was too easy and majority of the questions, are almost all the questions, are given directly from the study material or masterminds material. So either the questions are taken with even with no change of amounts. So that is 100% of the problems are copy paste problems, and few of the problems are given directly from the study material only by making some modifications by changing the amounts. So even the MCQs are also taken from the MCQ bank or either from the study material only, and all the MCQs are also copy paste style of MCQs only. So let me show you from where the MCQs and the problems are given by the institute in the recent examination, in the today's examination paper. So coming to the first MCQ, so which is based on redemption of preference shares, are this concept is also covered in issue of shares or bonus issue. So in many of the topics this concept is covered. So that is what is the purpose of utilizing securities premium, and this is a direct MCQ which is there in your study material. So but the only modification what they have done is, so the options are changed in the examination. So if you are really thorough with the concept, then you can easily answer this MCQ. And next one is the MCQ which is given based on the schedule 3 format. So I already told you so before the examination that be thorough with schedule 3 format. 1 or 2 MCQs will be tested. So they have given an MCQ based on the schedule 3 format, and those who thorough with the format of schedule 3, they can easily answer this MCQ also. And next one is the MCQ which is directly taken from the MCQ bank which is given by the ICMI, and all these MCQs we have also covered in our MCQ material or MCQ bank. So this is an MCQ which is copy pasted from the MCQ bank. And next one, so this is the MCQ from cash flow statement, and this is the MCQ from company final accounts based on schedule 3 format. And next one is the MCQ which is given from insurance company accounts. So it is also a direct copy paste MCQ which is given from MCQ bank. And next MCQ number 5, so which is given from, so it is also a direct MCQ which is given from the study material, and this is the MCQ which is given from the redemption of preference shares. So it is this MCQ is directly covered in your study material. So if you see, total 5 MCQs are given from corporate accounting, and all these MCQs are directly taken from either MCQ bank or study material only. Next, the remaining MCQs are given from corporate audit. And coming to our descriptive questions. So question number 2A, which is given from buyback of securities. So this is for the first time they have given a question from buyback of securities, and this is also a question which is directly taken from the study material. So it is covered in illustration 37, and this problem is also covered in our material, and 100% of the problem. So that means even the amounts are also not changed. So directly this problem was taken from the study material. And next, coming to question number 2B, so which is again from issue and redemption of debentures. This is also the problem which is already there in your study material. So the only modification what they have done is just they have changed the amounts, and remaining adjustments or whatever the points they have given in the question, the same as it is points are given in the examination also. So this is also an easy question only. So really, if you have gone through the study material or material. And next, this is also a direct question which is taken from the study material. So what the modification they have done is, whatever the amounts which are there in the study material, those amounts are gets multiplied with 3, and the same problem was given in the examination. So it is a direct copy paste style of question which is taken from study material just by changing the amounts. So given for 14 marks. And next, question number 4A. So this is also a direct study material question. So just whatever the amounts which are given in the study material, so just those amounts are multiplied with 2, and the same question was given in the examination. So it is also a direct question from study material. And so these kind of problems are also we have covered in our material also. And next question is from insurance company accounts. Every time we are expecting the question from insurance company accounts. This time also they have given, and this time they have given the question based on the valuation balance sheet, and it is a direct problem from study material. So even without change of amounts, so it is also a direct copy paste style of question only. So next, coming to question number 5A. So from Ind AS, that is Ind AS number 33. So that is earning per share. We have already suggested that Ind AS 33 is the important standard. and we have already suggested, so no theory questions are expected in case of corporate accounting. Why? Because since corporate audit is covering so theory part only, so majority of the questions from corporate accounting will be given from problematic areas only. And here in case of Ind AS they have given, so from Ind AS 33 again a problem. So it is also a problem which is directly there in your study material. The only modification is just the amounts are changed, and so it is given in the examination. And the next question is based on the cash flow statement. So it is also a direct question which is covered in your study material. The only modification is just amounts gets changed in the examination. And this question was also given that too based on the direct method. So it is an easy question only. So if you see, majority of the questions are almost all the questions which are given in your corporate accounting are directly taken from the study material. So some problems are directly as it is given without changing the amounts, and few of the problems are so just amounts are changed and given in the examination. So I think all of you have done well in the today's examination, and all the best for your subsequent exams.
Hello students, myself Bauram. I am a practicing chartered accountant and also faculty for audit subject at CMA Interlevel and CA Interlevel in Masterminds. So today I am before you in this video to present question paper review of auditing subject, that is paper number 10B, the exam that was conducted in the month of June 2025. So overall paper, the paper was very good and very easy. So the best part is that they have given 10 MCQs from auditing. Out of 15 total MCQs, 10 MCQs were given from auditing, and all the MCQs were very easy. So straight away you would have scored 20 marks from the auditing in the MCQs part itself. So even in our day before examination strategy, we have very much focused that MCQs part will be a scoring part in your examination, and I hope that everyone would have written this examination very well. There are no much twist in the MCQs parts, are very basic in nature and very easy, and most of the MCQs are given from our material itself, that is Mastermind material, or even from ICMA sources. They have picked up all the MCQs mostly. So let us see the question papers. Sir, overall the paper was very good. Overall, if you see corporate accounting and auditing part, definitely you should have scored 60 plus marks in this paper. So question number 6 in MCQ starts with the auditing. So use of work of another auditor is guided by. Similar question was even asked in December 2024 attempt, and they are repeating the same type of question. So answer stands with A, SA 600 using the work of another auditor. Then permanent, next question, so above question, then permanent audit file does not contain. So this type of question is also repeated again. I think similar question was asked even in December 2024 attempt. So permanent audit file does not contain normally the copies of management letter. All other A, B and D comes under permanent audit file, whereas C, copies of management letter doesn't come under permanent audit file. So we have learned permanent audit file, current audit file, what are the documents that were saved in a permanent audit file and current audit file. Then test checking reduces. So if you are doing sample audit sampling, then that will reduce the work of the auditor. So it will not reduce the power of the auditor, neither it will reduce the expense of the auditor, neither it will reduce the liability of the auditor. So it will reduce the work of an auditor. So even if you have listened to the classes properly, then you should be able to write this question very easily. Then again one more easy question from National Financial Reporting Authority. NFRA consists of which of the following? So first one is Accounting Standard Committee, then another is Auditing Standards Committee and Enforcement Committee, and option number D is all of the above. Again very basic questions, are very easy questions. So it consists of, NFRA consists of all of these committees, so that is Accounting Standard, Auditing Standard and Enforcement Committee. Again an easy question. Then similar again every time, out of 4 cost records, CRA 1, 2, 3, 4 types of forms, definitely they will ask this question again and again. In December 2024 also they have asked cost record form. Then again they are asking cost records are to be maintained as per form. So answer is option number A, CRA 1. So we have to maintain cost records for some type of entities in CRA 1 if they are applicable. Again an easy question, sir. We have repeated many times in the class that out of these forms definitely they are going to ask one form. The next one is again a basic question, very easy question. Audit report contains details of facts, details of frauds, expression of opinion. So audit report is nothing but the basic definition of audit is nothing but expression of opinion on the financial statement. So very basic in nature. Definitely you should have written this answer very easily. Then again an easy question, which of the following is not an assertion with respect to revenue and expenditure? P&L item. So normally we confirm cutoff is an assertion regarding P&L as well as balance sheet. Completeness is an assertion both in P&L item as well as balance sheet. Presentation and disclosure also covered in both the P&L items as well as balance sheet item, whereas option number A, existence, is only for balance sheet items. Again a basic question. If you have listened to the classes attentively, definitely you can easily answer this question. Then secretarial audit, every time they will ask one section, definitely sir. So this time they have asked a secretarial audit. Last time I think they have asked regarding a appointment of auditor or some other question. Secretarial audit is covered under section 204. So secretarial audit comes under section 204 of the Companies Act. Again a basic and easy question. Then in cooperative societies, audit of different types of entities according to the Central Cooperative Societies Act, dash percentage of the profit, that is minimum 25% of the profits have to be mandatorily transferred. Again an easy question. And last one is again a basic question sir, very easy question. So if for a particular company more than one auditor is appointed, then that audit is called as simply joint audit. Refers to the process of conducting of the audit of a single organization by more than one auditor, joint audit. So I can say that you cannot find more than this easy question paper. For MCQs part, very easy sir. 10 MCQs, 10 out of 10, definitely even an average student shall be capable of scoring 10 MCQs completely. You should be writing right answer. So 20 marks straight away you should be scoring from MCQ part itself. So out of 50 marks you are safe with 20 marks from the MCQ portion itself. Then coming to descriptive part, normally we have 7 plus 7 marks questions. Okay na? So question number 6, 7 and 8 covers are from the auditing subject. So question number 6 speaks about discuss the concept of tax audit under section 44 AB. So again an unexpected question. Normally this question doesn't come regularly in the examination from different types of audit. So even if you have not studied in auditing, you can write with the help of knowledge from direct taxes. So section 44 AB of Income Tax Act. Then question number 6B is demonstrate the reporting requirement of cost audit. Again many times we have told that from statutory audit itself 25 to 30 marks will be coming. If you compare MCQs and descriptive part, most of the questions are from a statutory audit or company audit. So cost audit report, so reporting requirements. So as per cost audit section 148, what are the reporting requirements? As an auditor we tell that we express our opinion, we have obtained all the necessary information, all those points have to be written. Then company auditors report order, again this is the first time they are asking from CARO. I mean prior attempts they have not focused much on CARO points. Now initially they have started asking from CARO. So in future also we can expect more questions from company auditors report order. Examine the reporting requirements as per company auditors report order. So they have asked 3 points. So we have to write relevant points from those 3 clauses. Then again an easy question, explain or briefly discuss the constitution and structure of National Financial Reporting Authority. National Financial Reporting Authority, how it is constituted, what are the structure, how many committees are there, and what is its duties or functions of the National Financial Reporting Authority. Not much a difficult question. Then educational institution, they are repeating many times, educational institutions, hospitals, they are asking again and again. Again an easy question, prepare a list to show how will you conduct the audit of an educational institutions. Even we have discussed that definitely they are going to ask 7 marks question from audit of different types of entity. Again an easy question. Then question number 8B, sir, inspect the rights of company auditor. So auditor has many right to inspect the books of accounts, right to call for other things information. So all these points are covered in our material. Okay. So overall paper was very easy. MCQ part 20 marks, you can easily definitely score 20 out of 20 marks. So if you consider overall corporate accounting and auditing paper, this is an exemption paper. So I hope that everyone would have written the paper very well, and all the best for your next examinations. Thank you so much.